love, shout out! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, mga kaasam, Sunday, November 16. May bisita po ako, mga kaasam, hulaan nyo. Dito siya mag-celebrate ng birthday. Charot. Anyway, bibisita po ang ating Miss Jin GM, kasama ang kanyang beloved husband na si Derek DM. At ito ang araw ng kanyang birthday. Kaya maswerte tayo. Dito tayo mag-celebrate ng kanyang birthday. Ayan, pasensya na po. Patitikimin natin sila sa ating lutong Bisaya. Okay mga kaasam, let's go. Tignan natin kung ano ang niluluto. Or tignan natin si Derek DM. Let's go! Andito na sila, si Sis GM. Welcome to Canada! Hi sis! How is Niagara? Ayan si Derek DM. Welcome! Hello! Ayan si Derek DM. Ang pangit ni GM. Gingy. Ayan, happy birthday! And welcome to Canada too.
Birthday namin.
Birthday namin. Ako, si Sky at saka si Derek DM.
Yan. May pa-cake si Asam Ruby.
Ayan. Wish you all the best and
Thank you.
happiness and good
Yeah,
health
good health.
always. Lalo na dito sa Canada, paiba-iba ang weather.
Kaya nga, kanina ang init, tapos ngayon,
Oo.
medyo kumulimlim na.
Ayan, dahil
Handa.
dahil birthday ng iyong pangit, Jin GM, ikaw ang mag-pray.
Oh, singit ang mag-pray. Ay, nakasakit. Ba't ang galing ko?
Happy birthday to you and welcome Canada. Happy birthday to you. Sing, honey.
Birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Derek DM. And
Yay!
happy birthday, Sis Osam. And of course,
Thank
happy
you.
birthday, Sky! 18!
Thank
Happy
you.
birthday, Asam Ruby.
Thank you.
Sky.
Ayan.
Yung mga birthday ng November.
Mga mabait ang mga November.
Siyempre.
Oh, di ba? Happy birthday to you and welcome Canada. Happy birthday to you. Sing, honey.
Birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Derek DM. And
Yay!
happy birthday, Sis Osam. And of course,
Thank
happy
you.
birthday, Sky! 18!
Thank you.
Happy birthday, Asam Ruby.
Thank you.
Sky.
Ayan.
Yung mga birthday ng November.
Mga mabait ang mga November.
Siyempre.
Oh, di ba? Gina, maghiwa ka na dyan para makakain naman tayo ng ating cake.
Slice of cake.
Dapat si Derek DM first kasi ano eh.
Yes.
Oh. Dahil hindi kayo nakabigay ng greetings sa amin, mag-greetings kayo sa aming birthday. This is a special greetings on your day of your birthday.
O, diba? Huwag mo lang i-slicein ng ano.
Yeah.
Yan. Paano mo nga pangkapungan?
So you working? You didn't go from Hong Kong to here, did you? No, you were already here. Oh, so you're working now? Okay. Yeah. In Brantford or? I'm sorry. Well, came back.
Thank you for coming. Come again.
Come again! Nandiyan na.
Yeah, thank you, thank you.
Glad to see you.
Yeah, that's it.
She's awesome. Come
Happy
again.
birthday.
Thank you.
Come
Thank you.
again
Happy
on
birthday.
January 16. It's my
Yes,
birthday.
yes, yes. Yeah, sure.
January.
Come again on
Ay, thank you talaga sa pag-visit
Ay,
dito.
bisita pala ako dito. Kala
And-
ko bahay ko.
Oh, you're gonna buy this house. Come on. And we're gonna rent.
I was inviting you guys. I forgot. This is my house. This is belong to guys.
Ay, bumisita lang pala kami dito.
Lang pala.
Bahay ito ni Sis Jin GM.
Akala ko pag
Don't forget.
Malamig kasi. Bella, are you gonna come with us?
Bye-bye. Thank you. Ingat ha. Safe drive.
Yeah. Thank you.
Parang
May ilaw pa naman siguro.
Parang malok kasi nga loose. Loose yung ano.
Okay.
Alright.
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye.
Ingat! Ay, mataas pang dahan-dahan sa pag-drive.
Thank you.
Welcome!
May baboy talaga.
Ingat ha, mamay. Oo.
Excited sa pop.
Mamoy, sa pagbalik, crispy pata. Bye! Ingat ha!